Well, yesterday I went out for a bit of a spin in our local state forests on Swampy, and as you can see, I had a great deal of fun. I actually I tripped at one point, and I didn't hit the ground. I just stumbled and found myself up to the knackers in soft mud. And yeah, the yeah, the problem that ruined my day was that Swampy's gearbox jammed up. Now, I was in reverse at the time, and I think what happened was that I hit a uh, a bump of some variety. Uh, it was a very lumpy sort of place, and what I think happened is that the actual gear lever um, was hit, and as you can imagine, a gearbox doesn't like to be in two different gears at the same time. So I've got to get the gearbox off, and I think the first thing I should do is give this thing a bit of a wash down.